morning, everybody. Just wanted to give a shout out to GenStone for a great product. This product was easy to install, easy to cut. You can cut it with a table saw or even with a hacksaw with fine teeth. Cuts easy, easy to install with screws, lightweight and durable. We're considering doing the top of the porch as well, up at the top. But for now, the contrast between the brown and the black goes good. We chose the black onyx because we have black shutters and a black roof. So if you're looking for something easy to do in a couple of days, just contact your people at GenStone. They'll measure it out for you over the phone and tell you exactly what you need. Have a good day.